Welcome to Sunny Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, can I get a table for two?
Yes, please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here are the menus. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, I'd like an orange juice.
And for you?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Can I have a few more minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken.
I'd like the vegetable pasta, please.
Would you like soup or salad with your meal?
Soup, please.
Any starters or desserts?
No, that's all for now.
How spicy would you like your food?
Mild, please.
Would you like the bill now or after dessert?
After dessert, thank you.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, the food was delicious.